Energy drinks don't look dangerous. They're sold next to soda. They don't get you drunk. But neuroscience suggests something unsettling. Regular energy drink use may train the brain toward addiction and push it to crave stronger stimulation over time. Most people see energy drinks as a harmless productivity tool, just caffeine, sugar, and focus, nothing serious. But the brain doesn't care how a stimulant is marketed. It only reacts to chemical signals. Energy drinks deliver stimulation fast, intensely, and repeatedly. And the brain learns from that pattern. This is where the real risk begins. Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical, it's the anticipation chemical. It trains the brain to repeat behaviors that lead to stimulation. Every time caffeine blocks fatigue signals, dopamine reinforces the habit. Over time, the brain starts expecting that boost. Normal energy feels insufficient. This is the first step of dependency, not addiction to a substance, but addiction to stimulation itself. And energy drinks are optimized for exactly that. A cup of coffee can contain as much caffeine as an energy drink. But caffeine amount isn't the whole story. Energy drinks are cold, carbonated, and easy to consume quickly. Carbonation accelerates caffeine absorption. On top of that, they combine caffeine with sugar, guarana, ginseng, and other stimulants. This creates a rapid chemical spike, a fast reward with minimal effort. The brain prefers fast rewards, and it adapts accordingly. The brain always seeks balance. When fatigue signals are blocked repeatedly, the brain produces more of those signals. That means the same drink stops working. One can becomes two become three. The effect shortens. The craving grows. This escalation pattern is identical to what neuroscientists observe in early stages of substance dependence. The substance is legal. The mechanism is not harmless. Long-term studies raise serious concerns. Research following young adults over several years found that regular energy drink users had a higher risk of later substance use, including alcohol dependence and illicit drugs. This doesn't mean energy drinks cause drug use directly, but they may lower the brain's threshold for seeking stronger stimulation. The brain gets used to shortcuts, and shortcuts rarely stay small. Energy drinks teach the brain one lesson repeatedly. Fatigue is a problem. Chemistry is the solution. Rest becomes optional. Recovery feels inefficient. This rewires motivation. Instead of listening to exhaustion, the brain learns to override it. That's why people report crashes, anxiety, sleep problems, and difficulty functioning without stimulants. These are not random side effects. They are warning signals.